नमो नमः। दशम्याः कक्षायाः सर्वेषां छात्राणां हार्दं स्वागतम्। In today's session, we are going to continue to look at the lesson Buddhir Balavati Sada. Intelligence is always powerful. In the previous part, we have seen that Buddhimati, who was the wife of the prince Rajasimha, was going to her father's place along with her two sons. On the way, she was confronted by a tiger. She got scared, but she smartly tackled the situation. She put a bold front on, slapped her children, and said that they could eat the tiger by dividing him. Obviously, the tiger got scared, thinking that she was a Vyagramari, the tiger killer lady. And being scared, the tiger ran away from there. Thus, Buddhimati saved her own life and the life of her children from the tiger. What happened after that? Let's see it in today's session. I'll read out the Gadyamshaha and we'll also discuss the words having Sanyogaha or Sandhihi. Nijabuddhya vimukta sa bhayad vyagrasya bhamini anyopi buddhiman loke muchyate mahato bhayat. This is a verse and it consists of 4 examples of Sandhihi and they are Bhayat vyagrasya anyopi buddhiman loke and mahato bhayat. भयाकुलं व्याघ्रं दृष्ट्वा कश्चित् धूर्तः शृगालः हसन्नाह भवान् कुतः भयात् पलायितः. Here the words कश्चित् and हसन्नाह are the examples of sandhihi. व्याघ्रः वदति गच्छ गच्छ जम्बुक त्वमपि किञ्चित् गूढप्रदेशं यतो व्याघ्रमारीति या शास्त्रे श्रूयते तयाहं हन्तुमारब्धः परं गृहीतकरजीवितो नष्टः शीघ्रं तदग्रतः. In this dialogue, the word tvamapi is the example of sanyogah and the words kinchid gudha pradesham yato vyagramariti and tayaham are the examples of sandhihi. Hantumarabdhah is the example of sanyogah and gruhitakara jivito nashtah and tadagratah are the examples of sandhihi. Shrugalah vadati vyagra tvaya mahat kautukam aveditam yan manushadapi bibheshi. In this dialogue, the word mahat kautukam is the example of sanyogah and yan manushadapi is the example of sandhihi. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Bhayat vyagrasya, the dissolution is bhayat plus vyagrasya. Anyopi is anyah plus api. Buddhiman loke, the dissolution is buddhiman plus loke and mahato bhayat is mahatah plus bhayat. Kaschit, the dissolution is kah plus chit. Hasannah is hasan plus ah. Tvamapi, it's the sanyogah and the vichhedah is tvam plus api. Kinchit gudha pradesham is kinchit plus gudha pradesham. Yato vyagramariti is yatah plus vyagramari plus iti. Tayaham, the dissolution is taya plus aham. Hantumarabdhah is hantum plus arabdhah. Gruhitakara jivito nashtah, the dissolution is gruhitakara jivitah plus nashtah and tadagratah is tat plus agratah. Mahat kautukam, the dissolution is mahat plus kautukam and yan manushadapi is yat plus manushat plus api. Now let's see the meanings of the words. Let's start with the verse. Here is the anvayah of the verse. Sa bhamini nijabuddhya vyagrasya bhayat vimukta abhavat. Loke anyah api buddhiman mahatah bhayat muchyate. Nijabuddhya means with own intellect or own wit. Vimukta, escaped, relieved, became free. Bhayat, from the danger or fear. Vyagrasya, of the tiger. Bhamini, beautiful lady. That beautiful lady escaped from the danger or the fear of the tiger with her own intellect. Anyopi means any other person. Buddhiman loke, Buddhiman, intelligent person, loke, in the world. Muchyate, can escape, can protect himself, can be escaped. Mahatah bhayat, from a great danger. Any other intelligent person can also be escaped from a great danger in the world. That beautiful lady escaped from the danger of the tiger with her own intellect. Any other intelligent person can also be escaped from a great danger in the world. This verse states that intelligence wins over might. If one is wise enough, then he can bring himself out of any difficult situation. Just as that Bhamini, which is used to refer to Buddhimati, became free from the danger, from the fear of the tiger with her own wit or with her own intelligence. Bhayakulam Vyagram Društva Kaschit Dhurtah Shugalah Hasannaha. Bhayakulam means stricken with fear, extremely scared, frightened. Vyagram Društva, seeing the tiger. Seeing the tiger who was extremely scared. Kaschit Dhurtah Shugalah. Dhurtah, cunning. Shrugalah, jackal. Kaschit, a certain, a cunning jackal. Hasannah. Hasan, laughing. Ah, said laughing. It means he laughed at him and said. Seeing the tiger who was extremely scared, a cunning jackal laughed at him and said. Hasan is the example of Shatri Pratyay form. Has dhatuhu plus Shatri Pratyayah. Bhavan kutah bhayat palaitah? Kutah, from where? Palaitah, from where you're running away. Bhavan kutah bhayat palaitah? From where are you running away with fear? Vyagraha vadat Gaccha, Gaccha Jambuka. Gaccha, go away. Go away, O jackal. Tvamapi kinchit Gudha Pradesham. Kinchit, some. Gudha Pradesham, secret place, hidden place, hideout. O jackal, you should also go to some hideout. You should also go to some secret place. Yato Vyagramariti ya shastri shruyate tayaham hantumarabdhah. Yatah, because. Vyagramari, the tiger killer lady. Ya, about whom. Shastre shruyate. Shastre, in the scriptures. Shruyate is heard. About whom we have heard in the scriptures. Taya, by her. Aham hantumarabdhah. Hantum, to kill. Hantumarabdhah, I was about to be killed. Yatah, because. The tiger killer lady about whom we have heard in the scriptures, by her I was about to be killed. It means she was about to kill me. Param gruhitakara jivito nashtah shigram tadagratah. Param, but. Gruhitakara jivito. Gruhitakara jivitah, risking my life. Apni pran hatheli par lekar. Nashtah, I ran away. Shigram, quickly. Tadagratah, agratah, from before her, from her front. But risking my life, I ran away quickly from before her. It means I ran away from her. Because Vyagramari, about whom we have heard in the scriptures, by her I was about to be killed. But risking my life, I ran away quickly from her. Shrugalah avadat Vyagra tvaya mahat kautukam aveditam yan manushadapi vibheshi. Vyagra, O tiger, Tvaya, by you. Mahat kautukam, very surprising, astonishing. A great surprise, aveditam, has been revealed, has been told. O tiger, a great surprise has been revealed by you. Or this is very surprising thing has been told by you. Yan manushadapi bibheshi. Bibheshi, you are afraid of. Manushadapi, even of human beings. O tiger, what a great surprise has been revealed by you that you are scared or you are afraid of human beings also. Bibheshi is the form of bhi dhatuhu. It governs panchami vibhaktihi, so the word manushat is used in panchami. So here the jackal is making the fun of the tiger for being scared of human beings. I hope you have understood the translation of the given anuchedaha. Now let me take you to the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. So here the word Vimukta is the Visheshana Padam of the Vishesham Bhamini. Mahataha is of Bhayat. Bhayakulam is of Vyagram. Dhurtaha and Hasan are the Visheshana Pade of the Vishesham Shrugalaha. Arabdhaha and Gruhitakara Jivitaha are the Visheshane of the word Aham, and Mahat is the Visheshanam of the word Kautukam. So here ends the explanation of this Gadyamshaha, of the given Gadyamshaha of the story. Students, instead of asking the questions on each passage, to save the time, I have decided to select only one passage on which the questions will be asked for today. And this question answer session will take place at the end of the presentation. So right now I'm going to take you to the next Gadyamshaha. Agrimaha Gadyamshaha aham pathami adhuna. Vyagraha avadat प्रत्यक्षमेव मया सात्मपुत्रावेकैकशो मामत्तुं कलहायमानौ चपेटया प्रहरन्ति दृष्टा. Here the word pratyakshamev is the example of sanyogah, and satmaputravekaikasho mamattum is the example of both sandhihi and sanyogah. Jambukah avadat Swamin yatraste sa dhurta tatra gamyatam. Vyagra tava punah tatra gatasya sa sammukhamapि ikshate yadi tarhi tvaya aham hantavyah iti. Let me mark the words with sandhihi and sanyogah here. Yatraste and sammukhamapि ikshate. Vyagrah avadat Shrugala yadi tvam mam muktva yasi tada velapya vela syat. Here Velapya Vela is the example of Sandhihi. Jambukah avadat Yadi evam tarhi mam nijagale badhva chala satwaram. Savyagrah tatha krutva kananam yayau. Shrugalena sahitam punarayantam vyagram durat drushtva buddhimati chintitavati. Jambuka krutotsahad vyagrat katham mucchatam. Here the words Savyagraha, Punarayantam and Jambuka Krutotsahad Vyagrat are the examples of Sandhihi. Now let's see the Vichhedaha of these words. Pratyakshameva, the Vichhedaha is Pratyaksham plus Eva. Satmaputra Vekaikasho Mamattum, the resolution is Sa plus Atmaputrau plus Ekaikashah plus Mam plus Attum. Mam plus Attum is the example of Sanyogah. Ekaikashah can also be dissolved as Eka plus Ekashah. Yatraste is Yatra plus Aste. The next word is Sammukhamapi Ikshate, and the resolution is Sammukham plus Api plus Ikshate. Velapya Vela is Vela plus Api plus Avela. Savyagraha is Saha plus Vyagraha. Punarayantam is Punah plus Ayantam. Jambuka Krutotsahad Vyagrat. Jambukakritotsahat with halantata plus vyagrat. It's the example of jashtva sandhi. Jambukakritotsahat can also be dissolved as Jambukakruta plus utsahat. It's the example of samasah. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words. Vyagraha avadat, the tiger said, Pratyakshameva. Pratyaksham, in front of my very eyes. It means in reality. Maya, by me. Sa, she. Atmaputrau ekaikashah. Atmaputrau, her own sons, her own kids. Ekaikashah, one by one. Mam attum. Mam, to me. Attum, to eat. Mam attum, to eat me. Kalahaya manav, quarreling over, fighting over. Chapetaya praharanti. We have seen this word before, slapping them. Drushta, was seen or saw. So pratyakshameva maya drushta. I saw her in front of my very eyes. It means I saw her in reality. And what she was doing? Slapping her kids who were fighting or quarreling over eating me one by one. Pratyakshameva maya sadrushta. I saw her in reality, or I saw her in front of my very eyes, slapping her sons, quarreling over eating me one by one. Jambukaha avadat. Swamin yatraste sa dhurta tatra gamyatam. The jackal is not ready to believe in the words of the tiger. So he is saying here, Swamin, O Lord, yatra aste. Aste, where is? Sa dhurta, that cunning lady. Tatra gamyatam, we should go there. O Lord, we should go there where that cunning lady is now. So, O Lord, we should go to where that cunning lady is now. Vyagra tava punah tatra gatasya sa sammukham api ikshate yadi tarhi tvaya aham hantavyah iti. O tiger, punah tatra gatasya. If you go there again, punah again, sammukham api ikshate. And if she faces you, if she looks at you face to face with you, yadi, if, tarhi, then, tvaya aham hantavyah, then I am fit to be killed by you. I should be killed by you. O Lord, we should go where that cunning lady is now. And when you go there, if she looks at you, even the face to face with you, means if she faces you, then I should be killed by you. So here the jackal is instigating the tiger to go back to the forest. Vyagraha avadat Shrugala yadi tvam mam muktva yasi tada velapya vela syat. O jackal, yadi, if, tvam mam muktva yasi, muktva, leaving, deserting, yasi, will go away, will run away. If you will go away deserting me, tada, then, velapya vela syat. Vela means condition or bet. In Hindi, shart. Velapya vela syat, your bet will no longer be a bet, or your condition will not remain as a condition. तुम्हारी शर्त भी शर्त नहीं रहेगी. O jackal, if you will go away deserting me, then your bet will no longer be a bet. So he's trying to say here that if you will desert me and if you will flee, then I'll get killed by the Vyagramari. So Vyagraha doesn't find Jambuka trustworthy. Jambukaha avadat yadi evam tarhi mam nijagale badhva chala satwaram. Yadi evam, if it is like that, if it is so, tarhi, then, mam nijagale badhva, nijagale, to your neck, badhva, tying, then tie me to your neck. Chala satwaram, chala, and then let's go quickly, satwaram, quickly, fast. If it is like that, then tie me to your neck and then let's go fast. So Vyagraha tatha krutva kananam yayau. So Vyagraha, that tiger, Tatha krutva, doing so. It means tying the jackal to his neck. Kananam yayau, kananam to the forest, yayau went. Yayau is the example of lit lakarah. Here the dhatuhu is ya, which means to go. Ya dhatuhu lit lakarah pratham purushah ekavachanam. Doing so, the tiger went to the forest. Shrugaleena sahitam punarayantam vyagram durat drushtva buddhimati chintitavati. Shrugaleena sahitam, along with the jackal. Punaha ayantam, punaha again, ayantam, the one who had come back. Vyagram, the tiger. Durat, from afar. Drushtva, seeing. Buddhimati chintitavati, chintitavati, thought. Seeing the tiger who had come back along with the jackal from afar, Buddhimati thought, Jambuka krutotsahat vyagrat katham muchyatam? Jambuka krutotsahat, it means the one who has been instigated or provoked. Vyagrat, the tiger. The tiger who has been instigated by the jackal. Katham muchyatam, how do I protect? How do I save myself? Muchyatam, to get escaped, to protect. So seeing the tiger come back along with the jackal from afar, Buddhimati thought, how do I protect myself from the tiger who has been instigated by the jackal? Here, in this part, the first dialogue of Vyagraha has the example of Shatri Pratyaya, that is Praharanti. Here, the dhatu is pra plus ruhara and the pratyaya is Shatri. Similarly, in the last dialogue of Jambukaha, there is the word punarayantam. Here, ayantam is the example of Shatri Pratyaya form, a plus ya plus Shatri Pratyaya. After the explanation part, the next step is to discuss Visheshan Visheshya Padani. So let's move on to that. So here, Kalahaya Manav is the Visheshana Padam of the word Atmaputrau, which is given in the form of Sandhihi. And students, Kalahaya Manav is the example of Shanach Pratyaya. Praharanti is the Visheshana Padam of the word Sa. Dhurta is the Visheshana Padam of the word Sa used in the dialogue. It is displayed over here. The next is Gatasya is the Visheshana Padam of the word Tava. Punarayantam, or if you will dissolve the Sandhi, only the word Ayantam is the Visheshanam of the word Vyagram. And Jambuka krutotsahat is the Visheshana Padam of the word Vyagrat. So students, I hope you have understood the second Gadyamshaha as well. As I have told you, I am going to select one of the two Gadyamshas seen by us today and I am going to ask you the questions based on it. So get ready to solve the questions. So here is the Gadyamshaha and the questions are Ekapadena Uttarata, Bhamini Kaya Vimukta. The second one is Kena Mahat Kautukam Aveditam. Purnavakyena Uttarata Hasan Shrugalah Kim Aha and Vyagraha Shrugalang Kutragantum Suchayati. Bhashikaryam Satwaram Ityasya Kim Paryaya Padam Prayuktam. The second one is Bhayat iti padasya Visheshanam Kim. And the third one is Bibheshi iti Kriya Padasya Kartrupadam Kim. I think you have solved all the questions and are ready with your answers. So let's check them. Here are the answers. Ekapadena Uttarata Bhamini Kaya Vimukta. By what did that beautiful lady get escaped or saved from the danger? The answer is Nija Buddhya. Kena Mahat Kautukam Aveditam. Who revealed a great surprise? And the answer is Vyagrena. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत हसन् शृगालः किम् आह. What did the jackal say laughing? The jackal laughed at the tiger and said something to him. So what was it? The answer is हसन् शृगालः आह भवान् कुतः भयात् पलायितः इति. व्याघ्रः शृगालं कुत्र गन्तुं सूचयति? Where did the tiger ask the jackal to go? And the answer is व्याघ्रः शृगालं किञ्चित् गूढप्रदेशं गन्तुं सूचयति. भाषिककार्यं सत्वरम् इत्यस्य किं पर्यायपदं प्रयुक्तम्? And the पर्यायपदं for the word सत्वरम् is शीघ्रं. भयात् इति पदस्य विशेषणं किम्? And the विशेषणपदम् is महतः. बिभेषि इति क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्? And the कर्तृपदम् is त्वम्. I hope your answers are correct. So students, we have come to the end of the presentation. We will meet again with the next part. Till then, धन्यवादाः. पुनर्मिलामः.